Hi everyone. Today we are going to be learning about Colophilum, which is from the Barbaridaceae family. Some rubrics which we will see first is that there is hysteria, weakness, changeable mode during labor, erratic pains, changing location every few minutes, rheumatism of small joints, excellent remedy for gonorrhea, delusion pregnancies. Now we'll see what means that by delusion pregnant is. It is related to a psychotic miasm. Suddenly know that some change has occurred. Nobody should know this and I must cover it up or hide it up. Therefore, there is a delusion pregnancies. And thuja is a very similar kind of feeling, like there is something alive in the abdomen, which is also related to a psychotic miasm. Okay. Now the sphere of actions are confined to the small muscles and joint, muscular tissues of generative organs, that means reproductive organs, motor nerves and mucous membranes. The whole crux of this remedy is around two things only: uterus, which is atonic, and rheumatism of small joints or whatever, small joints or muscles. Okay, now we'll see some particular symptoms. It is the best remedy given at the last 2 or 3 weeks of pregnancy to have. It is the best remedy which is given at the last 2 or 3 weeks of pregnancy for irregular, short labor pains, and there is spasmodic and no progress is made. Okay, so the Colophilum has intermittent contractions, that means spasmodic contractions. Ergot has persistent contractions. Okay, it is also given to prevent the premature labors, which is most commonly seen in weak women. It is the best remedy for rheumatism of small joints. Okay, Farrington says that intermittency of pains is important. Intermittency of pains means neuralgic and reflex from uterine disorder. They feel sharp, crampy pains and which can appear in bladder, groins or lower extremities. It is a remedy given for extreme uterine atonicity. That means there is a nervous woman, pains are there which seems to be intolerable, that means the pains are spasmodic and which change its position from place to place. That means first feeling groins, then in abdomen, then in chest. That means they are going in the wrong direction where the normal pains should be felt. And patient is exhausted, totally in pain and can hardly speak. Therefore, Colophilum can be of great use. Therefore, mostly it is a remedy indicated during the last few weeks of the pregnancy. Okay, so to stop that intense pain and atonicity of uterus, Colophilum is a great remedy. Okay, and there is rheumatism of small joints, and okay, whenever there is menorrhagia, or that means hemorrhage after labor, and the flow is very profuse, and for that want of tonicity of uterus, the Colophilum is indicated. For retained placenta also, and lochia bloody that lasts too long, oozing from the relaxed uterus, causing great exhaustion. That means it is a great remedy for the tonicity of the uterus. And rheumatism in small joints and fingers with great stiffness, which is burst in open air and from coffee. three crux: there is weakness, there is exhaustion, there is want of tone in the colophilum. Okay, we can compare some of its symptoms to other drugs. She is sensitive to cold and wants warm clothing, quite unlike Pulsatilla. She is hysterical like Ignatia. She is rheumatic like Simicifica. That means only the small joints are likely to be affected. Labor like pains during menstruations. Uterine hemorrhage. Relaxation of muscles and ligaments. Subinvolution of uterus. Okay. And now, colophilum should be indicated in higher potency for prevention of labor. So that means prevention of pain and have a smooth labor, and for the tonicity of uterus. Okay, and with the weakness, there should be internal trembling present also. Okay, thank you.